If your ZTE phone is running slow, crashing, or experiencing glitches, a factory reset could help. Whether you're giving away your phone or just want to restore it to its original settings, here are 5 simple ways to factory reset your device. Let's dive in. Part 1. What to do before factory reset. ZTE phone. Backup data. Remove external storage. Sign out of accounts. Disable lock screen security. Check for updates. Note important settings. Have a recovery plan. Part 2. How to reset ZTE settings directly. Access the app section. Proceed to select Settings. Scroll down to locate and choose the System option. Touch the Advanced feature to reveal additional settings. From the available drop-down menu, select Reset options. Tap on Erase all data factory reset. When prompted with a confirmation message indicating that all data will be erased, select Reset phone to continue. When the second confirmation message appears, tap Erase everything. Part 3. How do I force a factory reset via MasterCode? Verify that you possess access to the phone's administrator account by dialing 4636. Go to Settings, Admin Account on your phone. Enter your username and password to log in. Then, delete all your data as per the standard process. Part 4. How do I hard factory reset my phone via recovery mode? Charge ZTE phone. Turn it off. Hold power and volume up till logo appears. Release power. Keep volume up till recovery menu. Pick Wipe data. Confirm and confirm again. After reboot, set up device. Part 5. How to factory reset ZTE phone with the specialized tool. Do you want to ensure that your device is erased in a manner that prevents any possibility of recovery? Consider trying the Mobikin Eraser for Android. Step 1. Launch the utility. Begin by downloading and installing the software on your computer to ensure the complete and permanent deletion of all data from your ZTE phone. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable, and if necessary, enable USB debugging as guided. Step 2. Identify ZTE. Open the program and follow the on-screen instructions to recognize your ZTE device. Next, select Erase from the main interface. Step 3. Pick security level. Determine the desired security level and confirm your choice by entering Delete. Click Erase once more. Select Low level for strong data recovery prevention, medium level for media files, and high level for the protection of sensitive data. Step 4. Factory reset. The utility will conduct a scan and commence the erasure according to the selected security level. To remove system data and settings, perform a factory reset on the phone. Simply follow the prompts and click Continue. Part 6. How to factory reset ZTE removably. Use another phone or go online to access Find My Device. Log in with your Google account and choose the device to erase. Click Erase Device, then sign in again if needed, and confirm by clicking Erase.